Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending into northern Nigeria. Former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki has been rearranged alongside two people for alleged 33.2 billion naira fraud mismanagement of public funds. Now moved to Borno State, Senator Alindumi has strongly condemned the escalating insecurity in Borno State, particularly the alarming rise in Boko Haram attack. Now move to Kano State. The Amnesty International condemned harassment of journalists, urged Kano State government and police to respect press freedom. Now insecurity, Boko Haram terrorists have raided two military bases in Wajirko, Damboa local government and will go in Gamborungala local government area of Borno State on Tuesday. According to the report, many soldiers were died. Now move to Kaduna State. Troops of Sector 7 of the Special Task Force have arrested killers of Catholic cleric Reverend Father Sylvester Okechukwu in Kaduna State on Wednesday. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment and share. Now operatives of the Scorpion Squad have arrested a notorious kidnapper, Shaibu Alhaji Ahijo, who was declared wanted by DSS in Abuja. Now politics. El Rufai faces APC backlash for telling Nigerians truth, says Sunusi Maikudi, coordinator of El Rufai support team. You are biased. Make yourself an advisor to petitioners. Senator Natasha blast INEC. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar said SDP governors were bribed to support Babagana Kingibe in 1993 general elections. Zamfara APC vows to punish members challenging Matawale's leadership. Now move to Kano State. The Kano State government has reacted to the resignation of Commissioner for Internal Security, Major General Mohammed Idris, retired. Now from the international scene, former U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton reacts to Trump's government's security blunder. Hamas says hostages may return in coffins if Israel tries to free them by force. Heavy rainfall on Wednesday morning caused severe flooding in parts of Kampala, the capital of Uganda. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next.